Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the disadvantages of C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Disadvantages of C# programming language. While C# is a widely used and powerful programming language, it does have some disadvantages. Here are a few notable ones. Number 1, platform dependency. C# is primarily associated with Microsoft.NET framework, which means it is closely tied to the Windows operating system. While there are efforts to make C# more platform agnostic, such as .NET Core in Xamarin, it still has less native support on other operating systems like Linux and macOS. This platform dependency can limit its usability in a certain environments. Number 2, learning curve. Compared to some other programming languages, C# may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. It has a rich feature set in an extensive class library, which can be overwhelming for those new to programming. Additionally, concepts such as garbage collection, memory management, and asynchronous programming may require a deeper understanding. Number 3, performance. While C# is generally considered a highly performance language, it may not match the raw performance of low-level languages like C or C++. The overhead of the .NET runtime in the managed execution environment can result in slightly slower execution speed and higher memory usage. However, for most applications, the performance difference is negligible and outweighed by the productivity gains offered by the language. Number 4, limited mobile development options. Although there are frameworks like Xamarin that allow C# to be used for mobile app development, it still has a fewer native options compared to languages like Java for Android and Swift for iOS. This limitation may impact developers looking to create highly specialized mobile applications. Number 5, third-party library support. While C# has a rich standard library, the availability and maturity of third-party libraries can vary compared to other languages like Python or JavaScript. Some niche or specialized libraries may be more limited or less actively maintained in the C# ecosystem. It's worth noting that many of these disadvantages can be mitigated or overcome depending on the specific requirements and context of a project. C# remains a popular choice for a wide range of software development tasks, particularly for Windows-based applications, web development with ASP.NET, and game development with Unity. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about the disadvantages of C# programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.